There's all sorts of narrative out there about AI and how it can hallucinate and give you duff information. So how do you avoid that in the environment?
Definitely. I mean, I've seen AI hallucinations so many times. As a personal developer who looks at the back end of how AI works, sometimes I see the codes getting wrong and giving all sorts of answers. I think one important step for every learner who's using AI or who wants to use AI is by not looking at what answer they want, but starting with the right question. In technical terms, it's called prompt engineering. You ask it right question, it will give you right answer, and it would avoid hallucinating. That's a very important step. That's what I do. Even if I'm giving it a certain question that I want it to answer to me, I would make sure that it's grammatically right. The sense that I'm sending the question to it with all the information is right. Because if you don't do that, you will get an answer which you might think this is right, but that was not what you really wanted. That's one of the most important things is how you ask the question.
So when you're asking a question, it's almost like a code in that you have to ask. So typos, we all make mistakes. If you put a typo in your question, you're likely to get a hallucination.
Yes, so definitely, because AIs are trained for that, okay, to be very honest. They are trained to catch the typos and understand, but they're trained in such a way to understand the closest word. And everyone's language and everyone's narrative is different. So if that changes, it can hallucinate a lot. And AI thinks it's giving you the right answer, and then it will just direct you in a complete, total way. That won't be good for you and for companies and industries. So prompt engineering is important.